House authority, we're here to change the smoke alarm space.
The smoke alarm?
Yes, ma'am. In the bedrooms. It'll be a second. Let me get a board, okay?
I only have one. It's in the hallway.
Okay, we got to put these in the bedrooms. Inside the bedrooms. That's what they're calling for now.
They didn't tell me nothing about these.
You want me to come back?
I mean, I can't tell you to come back. Could you call them?
I'll go across the street. I can get officers out.
No, that's just Job Plus. The real office is on Green. Nope, it's on Memorial Terrace.
Yeah, we've been over there. I haven't called you.
Because they didn't tell me nobody was coming to change no smoke alarms or... Yeah, I didn't know anything about these.
I'll write it down. I just come back.
I'm not refusing to let you come change them. I'm letting you know that I didn't know about this.
Right.
I already have a working smoke alarm.
You only have one.
Right. I'm supposed to only have one. I've had one for 3-4 years.
Code enforcement changes every 4 years.
Mm-hmm.
And this is year they changed. And they start putting them inside the bedroom 2 foot from the bench. That's what they're doing.
So how many smoke alarms are supposed to go in here? I have 4 bedrooms. 4 smoke alarms in here, and I already have one. That doesn't even sound realistic at all.
We're going to put them in all the bedrooms.
I mean, if y'all have to, then that's fine. I'll take it up with them, however we take it up.
We have to see, these are 10-year batteries on these.
Okay.
I'm not sure why they haven't replaced everything, but...
I mean, it's not replacing, it's adding so many, because I only have one in here.
Yeah, they just changed the code on it. That's all it is.
Did they tell you guys, did they let people know you guys was coming out?
On the other complex, they did. But they gave us 2 more complexes. 400 smoke alarms. Altogether, we have to put in. Now, we done up that street right there, and the 2 units beside you right there. We done all that. We're just making our way around.
Okay.
When he comes back, it won't take us 10 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah, like I said, code changes every 4 years.
Yeah, I don't think it's the code thing. I've been dealing with a lot with this housing authority, and it's not a code situation. I've been out here 10 years.
They're supposed to have inspections Wednesday or Thursday here.
Right.
So,
but the inspections only consist of one smoke alarm, so... This is just an aggravating thing that they have going on, but I'm about to move anyway, so it doesn't matter.
Thank you.
Hold on 1 second. Let me make sure the rooms are clear. All the rooms, smoke alarms. Sound like he just trying to get somebody in here.
Yeah, that was it. What they got to
Start with?
You can start with the front room. Yeah, the front.
No worries.
This is a 24-hour recording unit, just to let you guys know. Probably look past the window, since they won't let me put the sign on the door anymore.
To the right of it, or right above the door?
Where's the pen at on this one? You bet.
And it's just a regular smoke alarm.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. They just got a 10-year battery.
That's a lot easier than that.
What was the other one's not masonry bits?
Yeah, the other one's not making it. Just big.
What's you guys' company called?
No, man, we're working for, I got one on the car. Well, she's been by the partner's got him in his wallet.
You said what?
My other buddy just walked by.
Mm-hmm.
He's got him in his wallet. So want me to bring one back to you?
Bring what back to me?
The car?
Yeah, please.
Okay, all right.
You got a screwdriver?
Boys in the truck. You do into this drill, and I'll go get you a screwdriver. All right. Now get Tony to give me a card while I'm home, okay? I get you a screwdriver, get Tony to give me a card.
Yeah, the other folks around you said they've sent a lot of people recently, huh?
Right. It's a lot. I don't understand the need for five smoke alarms. That's crazy.
Some new code, something.
No, it's not a code.
That's what they're telling us.
That's just what they're telling you guys. That's not a code. If it was a code, don't you think I would have at least 2 over the past 10 years?
Right.
I only have 1 smoke alarm. It's not a code. They didn't just all of a sudden put in the law, we're going to have 4 a smoke alarm in each bedroom. No, it doesn't work like that. This is simply just to irritate the ones they want to leave.
That's probably, you're probably not wrong. I have no idea, to be honest with you.
I hope it don't have cameras in them, because if it do, smoke alarm was put up in this room.
At the end and then on the left right here?
Say again.
At the end and then on the left?
This is a bedroom too, so you
This
can
one?
do this one right here.
How's it going, buddy?
I need to clean it.
How old's your boy?
He's 4.
Gotcha. Mine just turned 3 in March.
Oh, yeah, they're cute when they're small.
We got a little boy and we just had a little girl about 7 months ago.
Oh. Thank you.
Yeah.
Make sure the screen door is closed. Pull it up. Not yet. You can stay right there. That's fine. They're gonna put a smoke alarm up in here. They had to put them up in every room in the house. Wait, what happened?
Hey, he's got the screws in his pocket.
Oh, okay.
Wait on them. Unless they're underneath this, but you gotta have them. Yeah, it's so weird. I don't know how to do it.
I do. But that's all right. You guys got to do your job. That's all. Sir, I think he needs the screws. He says they're in your. Do you have them?
Huh?
Oh, okay. You can go ahead. Mm-hmm.
All right, bye. Right back. There's 4 of them in this one. Let me throw them back. Hey there. You want to buy? You want me to move? There you go. Go ahead. Sorry about that, buddy. Let me go to it. Huh. What's your other?
Okay.
Well, they got a hatch up there, don't they? Ma'am? They got your trap door up there, don't they?
Oh, I'm not sure what it is.
Me neither.
Yeah,
That's crazy.
trap doors are all over this place.
A water hose out of it, huh?
Hmm?
Yeah, water hose up there. I'll find you a street.
It's right behind that door. I don't think it's in there. It's a little one room.
Oh, it fell off. No, we didn't do that.
No, it's letting you sit there. There you go. You don't send nobody by to fix that, huh?
No, it's been like that for about 6 months
Yeah, so
now.
they'll fix it for you, though.
Hmm.
They won't come fix that for you, though, huh?
Right.
It's crazy. I guess they would do what they want to do, huh?
Right.
You think?
Yeah.
Hmm. You ain't already got this one, have you?
I don't see one in here, so no. This is weird. Like, so now if something happens on the stove, we're gonna have 1,000 smoke detectors going off in the house, in the unit.
I know. I was thinking earlier. Why is it warm in every room?
Yes, ma'am.
They should have had y'all change the ones that they already have up because they're old. Yeah, need a 10-year battery on that one.
Well, my thinking was, why are they putting one in every room and not one in the kitchen?
Right.
You gotta do what they say.
What good is that doing?
Don't make good sense.
I don't think nobody gonna smoke in the room they sleep in anyway.
Not that much. They do, they smoke way too much.
Got kids in there. You mean we're not gonna smoke in the kids' rooms?
Exactly.
You're just wasting money.
Yeah.
You need to come put this door up.
Exactly.
Oh, that's like 20 minutes ago. Same thing, didn't I?
Yeah.
Just spin it. It's crazy. Is this one too?
Yeah, this one right here.
We'll just slide by. All right, what it's time for. Do I have an alarm set for 2 o'clock on Monday? I don't know.
Go back, dude. Go in the living room. Come on. Stephen. Trophy. Come on. Go in the room. Big boy.
Thank you, ma'am.
No problem. They don't want y'all to put one up in the bathroom
No.
or the living room?
No,
Not
man.
today. Thank you very much.
No problem.
All right. Sorry about the inconvenience.
It's okay.
Y'all have a good rest of your day.
You too.
Thank you again.
All right, now y'all have a good one. All right, I'm Stephanie Haywood, 321, and that is this video. Oh wait, I gotta show y'all the smoke detectors. Okay, so that's one in this bedroom. That's another one. That's number 2. All right. Here is number 3. All right. This one was already here, so that would be number 4. They added one in all the bedrooms. So I have a 4-bedroom, and this would be number 5. The 4 that they just installed was in the rooms. Okay, bye, y'all.